Hello guys, this is Fr.Indo. So this is it, my first PCGS grading results. My package arrived after 60 days. Actually 57 to be exact. So the weight is totally right. And the shape of the package, let's see, is PCGS box shape. In our eyes, we can see, well, there is a PCGS grade box inside it, but in the eyes of others, well, that's just regular. On the ticket, there's no PCGS grading or anything, it's just a PO box, so don't worry about that. So let's get it open. I'm so excited. So this is it, and 35th anniversary box. It's pretty cool, and there are my name tag on the box. Well thought. And I think this is my first PCGS box, but this is not my first coin with PCGS holder. So I can see there are at least it's about right 8 holders in the box. So let's pop it open. See, it's sealed. Awesome. So whatever the result will be, I'll be extremely happy because this is my first box. Alright, so we have awesome! We have exactly 8 holders, so they're all genuine. They're all authentic coins, but I know that these are basically the experimental grading experience. Let's play with the first grading. I'm not seeing it. Oh, this is, what is that? This is Kiangnan. So what will be the great PCGS AU55? Pretty cool. That's awesome. All right, so Kiangnan. Well, you know what? I've seen better, but still very cool. AU55, nice. The other one, I'm not seeing it. Oh, that one is the questionable color. Let's see that PCGS. Oh, cleaned XF. Oh, this is, yeah, I know it's cleaned, but I wonder what method they have used for this coin. All right, so cleaned, genuine cleaned, fair enough. And the third coin is, oh, actually, I think this one is I think it's plancher thought. All right, damage. All right, yeah, very shameful. That's well, you know what? You know that proves the coin is authentic. At least that. And back to 1902. The machinery in China is not that advanced, especially on forging coins. So it's absolutely normal to have that. So damage SF. I think it's better than XF, but still, you know, that is experimental. And what about this? Oh, the Yunnan $50. Well, I don't know. This one is either cleaned or, well, I don't know. AU50? Something like that. Oh, XF45. So it's cool. Well, for this coin, I'm happy to know it's actually authentic coin because after the X-ray test, it contains 50% of silver and 50% is pretty rare case in Chinese silver dollar or even $50, and that is, well, is pretty valuable experience. So XF. Next, What about this? Oh, 大清铜币的大清 Cooper coin, and that could be XF40. Yeah, let's see. Clean? Are you kidding me? No way. There's no way to be clean. Are you kidding me? I'm kind of shocked. Cleaned? Really? Okay. All right. Fair enough. Okay. Cleaned. And this, oh, absolutely. I think it's harshly cleaned. Harshly cleaned. What about that? Da-da! Harshly cleaned. Oh my god. Yes. Because there's so many hairlines. Yeah, harshly cleaned. Poor coin. And what about this? I don't know. This cleaned? Come on, give me some score. Give me some score. Harshly clean. Are you kidding me? This is harshly clean. I know there's hairlines, but still, are you kidding me? All right, PCGS is it's very severe. All right, cool. Harshly cleaned. Fair enough. And that. Okay. What about this? It could be environmental damage because I literally cleaned that coin for sure. I kind of restored that coin. I showed you on my channel the image of this coin like before to be the comparison. And I think the best we can have for this could be, I don't know, cleaned. Well, if I got environmental damage, I will not be surprised. So what will be the score? PCGS genuine environmental damage. Environmental damage, cool. Well, you know what? It is environmental damage, but the thing is, I clean the PVC residue out of it. The PVC removal was working, but next time I will probably choose another coin to send for grading. Well, out of all of this coin, I think the 20 cents, that is cleaned? No way. I mean, no way. How come this is cleaned? But still, all right, that is a pleasant experimental experience. Cool. So for your information, if you are in United States, if you want to send a coin to be graded, I think you need to count at least 60 days without signature returned. With the signature, that will be even longer. All right, so this is my first box. And of all of them, I got one AU55 and for Cooper coin. And that is cool. I like this experience. And this is pretty pleasant thing to do. All right, let's roll. I see you guys next time. This is Csh Y-193 out. Bye-bye.